Hello, my name is Maria Fernanda Contreras Rodriguez from the Business Administration and Development Program. Welcome to Thailand, the land of Smile. Located in the heart of Southeast Asia, bordering Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, and Malaysia, it has over 1,400 islands. Bangkok or Truktep is a megacity where the Wat Arong Temple coexisting you luxury malls. It is the most visited city in the world. The Trong Trai Rong flag represents nation, religion, and kin. The Thai bank is one of the strongest currencies in the region. The cuisine thrives on harmony, blending spices in sweet, sour, and salty elements. Street food in night markets offers authentic flavor and fresh ingredients. 95% of the Thais practice Theravada Buddhism. There are over 40,000 Wats or temples that serve as masterpieces of gold leaf architecture. Culture is defined by sound striving for joy and my pain right, a relaxed approach to life challenges. A constitution and monarchy led by King Rama X. The Grand Palace has been the official residence of the kings of Siam since 1782. The elephant is deeply linked to history. Thailand is the only nation in the region that escaped European colonization through bamboo diplomacy. Thank you.